Hey everyone and welcome back to Vivoactive. Today I'll show you how to set or add a photo to the Garmin watch face. It's a simple process and all you need is a Garmin watch and a smartphone with the Garmin Connect IQ app. Let's get started. For the demonstration, I'll be using my Garmin Forerunner 265, but the method remains the same for all Garmin watches, be it Fenix, Venu or Vivoactive. First, make sure that your watch is paired with the Garmin Connect IQ app on your phone. Now, on the Connect IQ app, tap on the Face It option. If you're using it for the first time, then it'll automatically start installing on your watch. I have already installed it on my Forerunner. Now, in the Face It section, hit the plus sign, choose Photos and pick an image from your gallery. Now, select the layout of the clock widget. You can freely adjust the position of all the elements to get the best look. From here, you can change the colors of each individual graphic element as well as the font of the clock. Once you're happy with the look, tap on Save and give the watch face a name. Now all you have to do is tap on Save and hit Install. And that's it. Now your custom wallpaper or photo is set as a watch face on your Garmin smartwatch. If this tutorial helped you, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Vivoactive. It really supports the channel and helps me bring more useful content your way. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.